Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? They are some really cool color-changing LED lights that you can add to pretty much any kind of space. So whether you have a living room, maybe you have a movie room, maybe you have a game room and you're wanting to add a lot of ambiance and kind of just different lighting effects, you can do that. I mean, you can even add these to your bedroom if you want. So these were sent over by a company called Lumary. Naturally, once you open it up, you're gonna get everything you need to get these things installed. So first off, you're gonna get a user manual that tells you all about it. We're covering a lot of the features right here in the video. You're gonna get multiple ways to control these. The easiest way to control them is via their app. It is very easy to use and it's gonna have a lot of customizable features, but if you don't have a phone or a tablet or anything handy, you're gonna have another way to control it, which is their remote control. On the remote control, you're gonna notice you're gonna have your power button, your play button. It has a lot of different modes. So you're gonna have 7 just standard LED color changing modes, and then you're gonna have a lot of different effects. So you can cycle through those lightings. Now, as the app's gonna have more effect options versus just the standard ones programmed into the device itself. But you'll be able to control the mode, you'll be able to control the brightness, and then you'll be able, there's quick buttons down here, whether you want warm lighting, whether you want that kind of whiter light, and then if you want the red, green, or blue, just static colors. The remote just takes 2 AAA batteries. However, if you don't even have the remote, there is on the base station itself, this is where you can go ahead and press the button, and it will activate the lights as you can see, and they'll quickly turn on. If you want to go ahead and change through the preset colors, you can do that as well by just simply tapping the button and it will cycle through them. This is also going to be the control. This has the ability through the app to go ahead and hook it up to various assistants. If you wish to do that, you can utilize this via voice control and things like that. And it's all controlled via this little kind of connection hub itself. Plugs into a standard outlet, and then you're going to go ahead and have the lights themselves. Now, to give you an idea of the overall whole entire side of this fixture, it is about 9¼ feet long. So you do have a nice run of the lights. The lights themselves are spaced about 1.3 or 1¼ feet apart. So they got a good spacing to them as well. And then the little pucks of the lights, they're pretty compact. They are about 1¾ inches in diameter, about 1½ inches in height, and they stick off the wall about 2½ inches. Now, another cool aspect of these lights is they are rotatable. So you can have the lighting effect going basically vertical. You can go ahead and rotate it to where it's going horizontal, or you can even rotate it where they're at an angle and start creating like a crisscross pattern or anything like that. Basically, it's kind of what lighting effect you want and how you want to throw the light on the wall or space that you have. So it's very kind of cool aspect that they allow it to be rotatable. Now, as far as installing these, you're gonna have multiple ways to install it. It's gonna include all the hardware. You're gonna get all the little screws and all the little anchors. However, if you don't wanna attach these via screws, they do also have the 3M kind of sticky side on the back. They even include some spares, and they just simply slide off. So just take the little piece, go ahead and slide it right on off, and you'll notice that you'll have your screw holes, so you can go ahead and attach via the wall if you're screwing this in, or you can go ahead and just use a sticky tape, or you can use both depending on your setup. Now, as far as those lighting effects, like I mentioned, you're gonna have basically 7 just static colors. Whether it's you're doing the green, whether you're doing the red, whether you're doing the blue, whether you're doing the warm white, etc. And you can go ahead and also choose via the app whether you want them going up and down, and you can kind of set up a timer or set up scenes. You can change during different holidays and stuff like that. So there's a lot more scene options via their app. Now, their app is very user-friendly, very easy to install, very easy to set up through this. You can get it available in both kind of major marketplaces, whether it's Android or Apple. And overall, the beam for this, you'll notice also on the lights, they have like a little acrylic bubble kind of look on them, and that's gonna allow that beam to be thrown about 100 degrees. So you're gonna get a nice kind of wide spread. So if you're really wanting to kind of uplight or downlight a nice wall or just fill up that whole wall, you can do that with that beam, which is another cool aspect of them. But overall, like I said, they're really fun to set up and make as an entertainment space. If you're in the market and you're looking for some really cool color changing LED lights that simply just plug in, that you don't have to hardwire, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.